What did NASA discover on the darkest side of the moon? As we all know, the moon is Earth's only natural satellite that revolves around our planet. It has fascinated humans for centuries. But have you ever wondered what lies on the far side of the moon? The part that faces away from us? Well, today we're going to talk about what NASA found on the far side of the moon. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In 1959, the Soviet Union sent the first spacecraft to orbit the moon and take pictures of its far side. This was a big deal because up until then, all we had seen was the near side of the moon, which looks very different. The far side of the moon is covered in craters, mountains, and other features that are not visible from Earth. What's really amazing is that the far side of the moon is always facing away from us. This is because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, meaning that it rotates at the same rate as it orbits our planet. This means that we can only see one side of the moon from Earth, and the side that faces away from us has been a mystery for centuries. But now we know a lot more about the far side of the moon thanks to NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, which has been orbiting the moon since 2009. In this video, we will show you some of the most amazing things that NASA has discovered on the far side of the moon. Some of these discoveries will surprise you, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Note 1. A long unexplored area filled with secrets. The far side of the moon is a mysterious place that has remained largely unexplored until recently. But what exactly makes this area so mysterious? One reason is that the far side of the moon is always hidden from view. We can only see the near side of the moon from Earth, and because the moon is tidally locked to Earth, we can only see the same side of the moon from our planet. This means that the far side of the moon has remained a mystery for centuries. Another reason is that the far side of the moon is very difficult to reach. It is much farther away from Earth than the near side of the moon, and it is also much colder. The far side of the moon receives less sunlight than the near side of the moon, so it is much colder. This makes it very challenging for spacecraft to land on the far side of the moon and explore it. Despite these challenges, we have been able to learn a lot about the far side of the moon in recent years. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter spacecraft has been orbiting the moon since 2009 and has taken some amazing images of the far side of the moon. These images have revealed a world that is unlike anything we could have imagined. The far side of the moon is a truly alien and captivating landscape that is unlike anything we have ever seen before. No. 2. NASA discovered hidden water ice. The discovery of water ice on the moon is a major breakthrough for space exploration. It means that there may be enough water on the moon to support human life, and it could potentially be used as a resource for future missions to Mars and beyond. NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, or SOFIA, detected water molecules on the moon's surface in 2020. This discovery was made possible by SOFIA's unique ability to observe the moon in infrared light. This allows scientists to see through the dust and smoke that obscure our view of the moon's surface. The discovery of water ice on the moon is a major breakthrough for space exploration. It means that there may be enough water on the moon to support human life, and it could potentially be used as a resource for future missions to Mars and beyond. 3. Unusual mineral deposits. The presence of unusual mineral deposits on the moon is a testament to the dynamic history of our solar system. It provides valuable insights into the conditions that existed in the early days of our solar system and helps us better understand the formation and evolution of the moon itself. Scientists have identified several unusual mineral deposits on the moon, including high concentrations of titanium, iron, manganese, and chromium. These minerals are not found in large quantities on Earth, so their presence on the moon is particularly interesting. One of the most exciting discoveries was made by NASA's Apollo 15 astronauts in 1971. They found a rock called the Genesis Rock, which contains some of the oldest material ever found on the moon. The rock is believed to be 4.4 billion years old, just 200 million years younger than the moon itself. It contains a mineral called zircon, which is one of the most durable minerals known to man. The discovery of the Genesis Rock and other unusual mineral deposits on the moon has led to many theories about the moon's origins. Some scientists believe that the moon formed in a different part of the solar system and was captured by Earth's gravity long ago. Others believe that the moon was formed as a result of a giant impact between Earth and another planet. Regardless of how the moon formed, the presence of unusual mineral deposits on its surface is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Further study of these deposits will undoubtedly reveal more about the moon's history and help us better understand our place in the universe. No. 4. A perplexing geological formation. The discovery of puzzling geological formations on the moon is a testament to the dynamic history of our solar system. It provides valuable insights into the conditions that existed in the early days of our solar system, and helps us better understand the formation and evolution of the moon itself. One of the most perplexing formations on the moon is the South Pole Aitken Basin. This is the largest and deepest impact basin on the moon and is thought to have been caused by a collision with an asteroid or comet. The basin is located near the moon's south pole and is over 2,500 kilometers in diameter. It is so deep that it is often referred to as a lunar sea. The South Pole Aitken Basin is just one of many puzzling geological formations that have been discovered on the moon. Other formations include the moon's Mans formations, which are vast expanses of dark, smooth material that are thought to be billions of years old. These formations are not found on Earth, so they provide a unique opportunity to study the history of our solar system. The discovery of these unusual formations has led to many theories about the moon's origins and evolution. Some scientists believe that the moon formed in a different part of the solar system and was captured by Earth's gravity long ago. Others believe that the moon was formed as a result of a giant impact between Earth and another planet. Regardless of how the moon formed, the presence of these puzzling geological formations is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. Further study of these formations will undoubtedly reveal more about the moon's history and help us better understand our place in the universe. No. 5. Numerous crater. The presence of numerous crater on the moon tells a story of a violent and chaotic past. It provides valuable insights into the conditions that existed in the early days of our solar system and helps us better understand the forces that shaped the moon as we know it today. Impact craters are one of the most prominent features of the moon's surface. They are the result of collisions between asteroids, comets, and other space objects. Some of the most famous craters on the moon include Tycho, Copernicus, and Kepler. Each crater has a unique shape and size that tells a story of the impact event that created it. The discovery of these craters has led to many theories about the moon's history. Some scientists believe that the moon was bombarded by asteroids and comets during the early days of our solar system. Others believe that the moon was formed as a result of a giant impact between Earth and another planet. Regardless of how the moon formed, the presence of numerous craters is a reminder of the violent and chaotic past of our solar system. Further study of these craters will undoubtedly reveal more about the moon's history and help us better understand our place in the universe. No. 6. South Pole Aitken Basin. The South Pole Aitken Basin is one of the most fascinating features of the moon's surface. Located in the southern hemisphere on the far side of the moon, this enormous impact basin is the largest and deepest on the lunar surface. It is approximately 2,500 kilometers in diameter and 12 kilometers deep. The basin is named after the American astronomer Frederick C. Aitken, who first identified it in 1919. The South Pole Aitken Basin is believed to have been formed by a massive impact event that occurred early in the moon's history. It is thought that an object about 6 kilometers wide collided with the moon at a shallow angle, creating a massive explosion and leaving behind the basin that we see today. The impact is believed to have thrown material from the crust of the moon into space, creating a ring of mountains around the basin. This ring of mountains, known as the Peaks of the Apennines, rises up to 9 kilometers above the surrounding terrain. The South Pole Aitken Basin is a key feature of the moon's surface because it provides scientists with a window into the moon's past. By studying the rocks and minerals that make up the basin, scientists can learn more about the composition of the moon's mantle and core. The basin is also home to a number of other interesting features, including the mysterious Shackleton crater. This small crater is located near the bottom of the South Pole Basin and is thought to contain water ice. The discovery of water ice on the moon is a major discovery because it could mean that there is water on other celestial bodies as well. Scientists are also interested in studying the South Pole Aitken Basin because it may hold clues to the origin of the moon. There are a number of theories about how the moon formed, but the most popular theory is that it was formed as a result of a giant impact between Earth and another planet. If this theory is correct, then studying the South Pole Basin may help us learn more about the early history of our solar system. Overall, the South Pole Basin is one of the most fascinating features of the moon's surface. It is a reminder of the violent past of our solar system and provides scientists with a window into the moon's history. By studying this basin, we can learn more about the composition and origin of the moon and possibly even the Earth. That's all for this video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like and share this video with your friends and family if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.